The dihydrogen monoxide parody is a parody that involves referring to water by its unfamiliar chemical systematic name, dihydrogen monoxide, DHMO, or the chemical formula H2O, and describing some properties of water in a particularly concerning manner, such as the ability to accelerate corrosion, rust, and cause suffocation, drowning, for the purpose of encouraging alarmism among the audience to often incite a moral panic calling for water to be banned, regulated strictly, or labeled as a hazardous chemical. Occasionally, reports also reference its widespread contamination of rivers or municipal water supplies. The parody has also involved other uncommon chemical nomenclatures for water, such as hydrogen hydroxide, dihydrogen oxide, and hydric acid, used in many prank shows to scare people into thinking that it is a lethal or corrosive substance. The motivation behind the parody is to play into chemophobia and to demonstrate how exaggerated analysis, information overload, and a lack of scientific literacy can lead to misplaced fears. In 1983, on April Fool's Day, an edition of the Durand Express, a weekly newspaper in Durand, Michigan, reported that dihydrogen oxide had been found in the city's water pipes and warned that it was fatal if inhaled and could produce blistering vapors. The first appearance of the parody as dihydrogen monoxide on the internet was attributed to the Coalition to Ban Dihydrogen Monoxide, a parody organization at the University of California, Santa Cruz, following on-campus postings and newsgroup discussions in 1990. This new version of the parody was created by housemates while attending UC Santa Cruz in 1990, revised by Craig Jackson in 1994, and was published in Analog Science Fiction and Fact in March 1996. It received widespread public attention in 1997 when Nathan Zahner, a 14-year-old student, gathered petitions to ban DHMO as the basis of his science project titled, "How Gullible Are We?" Jackson's original site included the following warning: dihydrogen monoxide. Despite the danger, dihydrogen monoxide is often used. A mock material safety data sheet has also been created for DHMO. The water molecule has the chemical formula H2O, meaning the molecule is composed of 2 hydrogen atoms and 1 oxygen atom. Literally, the term dihydrogen monoxide means 2 hydrogen, 1 oxygen. The prefix D in dihydrogen means 2, the prefix mono in monoxide means 1, and oxide designates oxygen in a compound. The consecutive O's that would occur in monoxide are combined into one. Using chemical nomenclature, other names for water include hydrogen oxide, hydrogen hydroxide, which characterizes it as a base, and several designating it as an acid, such as hydric acid or hydroxyl acid. The term used in the original text, hydroxyl acid, is a non-standard name under the 2005 revisions of IUPAC nomenclature of inorganic chemistry. There is no single correct name for every compound. The primary function of chemical nomenclature is to ensure that each name refers, unambiguously, to a single substance. It is considered less important to ensure that each substance should have a single unambiguous name, although the number of acceptable names is limited. Water is one acceptable name for this compound, even though it is neither a systematic nor an international name and is specific to just one phase of the compound, its liquid form. The other IUPAC recommendation is oxidane.